when we're public speaking, the looser we are with our body, meaning the more relaxed we are with our body, that helps us be more confident. What you often see with people who are very nervous is they might get on their phone before they have to speak to people. Now, the problem with getting on your phone is you're going to hunch over. That says to your body that you're likely to be going into a threatening situation. You actually want to be relaxed. So I think moving around a little bit, see what I'm doing if you're watching, I'm basically shrugging my shoulders, etc. That can be really important. One of the things I've found of many years of public speaking is the more I make what I'm talking about to be of service to others, the more that stops me thinking about myself. So I think we get really nervous when we focus on ourselves. I always go, I want to share this information because it's going to help these people in this way. So I think that also comes back to, you're learning a topic, political science, congrats on doing that. And so think about how can this help the people that are listening and focus more on what you're delivering to them rather than how you show up. I think also just a couple of things to help you remember that this is a skill like any other skill. And so as we try it once, think about what's one thing I could do to improve my public speaking for next time. So it could be as simple as just smiling at the audience, looking at them occasionally, looking for friendly faces. The big thing you'll see with professional versus just starting is when we're just starting, we tend to not know what to do with our hands. We move a lot because we're a bit nervous. What you'll notice as you get better is you'll be more centered. So a bit of deep breathing beforehand can help you become centered, and then you're more deliberate. So for those that are watching, they will see that I'm moving my hands at the moment. So you can be more deliberate in your actions rather than getting that nervous energy coming out. So if beforehand you are feeling nervous, which is perfectly normal, move a little bit before you go on stage or in front of your peers, because that will get that energy out so you can be a bit more calm.